On 18th September 2018, the Director of Criminal Investigations received complaints touching on governance and operation challenges in the management of the two dams, projects Arror and Kimwarer, that required urgent attention. Upon investigations by the DCI, it was established that the conception, procurement, and payment process for the Arror and Kimwarer dam projects in Elgeyo Marakwet County were riddled with massive illegalities. Having established this, the DCI and I set up a joint team that conducted further in-depth investigations which revealed that several persons and legal entities committed criminal acts and omissions. In late February 2019, I received a preliminary investigation report, and upon review, I directed on the 8th of March 2019 that the breaches of the law disclosed and their consequences were serious and merited a detailed and thorough investigation. I have today directed the DCI to effect the arrest and immediate arraignment before court of the accused persons named below herein. 1. Henry Kiplagat Rotich, Cabinet Secretary, National Treasury. Kamau Thuge, Principal Secretary, National Treasury. Dr. Susan Jemtai Koech, Principal Secretary, Ministry of East African Community. David Kipchumba Kimosop, Managing Director, Kerio Valley Development Authority. Kennedy Nyakundi Nyachiro, Chief Economist and Head of Europe 2 Division, National Treasury. Jackson Njao Kinyanjui, Director, Resource Mobilization Department, National Treasury. Titus Murithi, Inspector General of State Corporations. Paolo Poselli, Director, CMC de Ravenna. CMC de Ravenna Itinerary Joint Venture, Italy. CMC de Ravenna Itinerary Joint Venture, Kenya. William Kipkemboi Maina, Head of Supply Chain Management, KVDA. Paul Kipkoech Serem, Manager Engineering Services, KVDA. Francis Chepkonga Kipkech, Tender Committee, KVDA. Samuel Kimutai Koskei, Tender Committee, KVDA. David Juma Onyango, Tender Committee, KVDA. Patrick Kipto, Tender Committee, KVDA. Elizabeth Kebenei, Tender Committee, KVDA. Esther Jepchirchir Kiror, Tender Committee, KVDA. Moses Kipchumba, Ad Hoc Technical and Financial Evaluation Committee, 2, KVDA. Engineer Nelson Korir, Ad Hoc Technical and Financial Evaluation Committee, 2, KVDA. Engineer Isaac M. Kiiru, Ad Hoc Technical, Financial and Evaluation Committee, Team 2, KVDA. Engineer Patrick Kipsang, Ad Hoc Technical and Financial Evaluation Committee, Team 2, KVDA. Frederick Towet, Ad Hoc Technical and Financial Evaluation Committee, Team 2, KVDA. Jotham Ruto, Ad Hoc Technical Financial Evaluation Committee, Team 2, KVDA. Charity Mui, Ad Hoc Technical and Financial Evaluation Committee, Team 2, KVDA. Geoffrey Mwangi Wahungu, CEO, National Environment Management Authority. David Walunya Ongare, National Environment Management Authority. Boniface Mamboleo Lengisho, National Environment Management Authority. For the following offenses. 1. Conspiracy to defraud contrary to Section 317 of the Penal Code, Cap 63 Laws of Kenya. Failure to comply with applicable procedures and guidelines relating to procurement contrary to Section 45(2)(b) as read with Section 48 of the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act No. 3 of 2003. Engaging in a project without prior planning contrary to Section 45(2)(c) as read with Section 48 of Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act No. 3 of 2003. Abuse of office contrary to Section 46 as read with Section 48 of the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act No. 3 of 2003. Committing an offense of financial misconduct contrary to Section 197(1) or I of the Public Finance Management Act No. 18 of 2012. Fraudulent acquisition of public property contrary to Section 45(1)(a) as read with Section 48 of the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act 2003. knowingly giving a misleading document to principal, contrary to Section 41(2) as read with Section 48 of Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act number 3 of 2003 of the laws of Kenya, willful neglect to perform official duty, contrary to Section 128 as read with Section 36 of the Penal Code. I am cognizant of the principle of innocence until proven guilty, the determination of which can only be made by a court of law. The decision to charge is based on the evidence that is available to the DPP